Mute Mastery, Keyboard Shortcuts for Video Calls. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on video call etiquette. Today, we're focusing on an incredibly important topic: muting techniques and best practices. In this particular video, we will be diving deeper into a specific subtopic: keyboard shortcuts for muting and unmuting. This might sound like a minor detail, but mastering these shortcuts can make your video calls smoother and more professional. So, let's get started. Have you ever been on a video call and needed to mute or unmute yourself quickly, but struggled to find the right button with your mouse? It can be awkward, can't it? But don't worry, this is where keyboard shortcuts come to the rescue. Keyboard shortcuts are combinations of keys that perform certain actions. They can make navigating through applications quicker and more efficient. In the context of video calls, they allow you to easily mute or unmute yourself without interrupting the flow of the conversation. Now, let's discuss some popular video call platforms and their corresponding keyboard shortcuts for muting and unmuting. For Zoom, you can mute or unmute by pressing the space key when you are not in full screen mode. On Microsoft Teams, the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+M if you are using Google Meet. The shortcut key is Ctrl+D. These are just a few examples. Remember, it's important to familiarize yourself with the platform you're using. It's not enough to just know these shortcuts. You need to practice them until they become second nature. Spend a few minutes before your call familiarizing yourself with the mute, unmute keyboard shortcut for the platform you're using. You can even practice during the call when you're not speaking. The goal is to be able to mute and unmute without even thinking about it. That's it for today's lesson on keyboard shortcuts for muting and unmuting in video calls. We hope this has been helpful and will make your video call experiences smoother and more professional. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. Keep practicing these shortcuts until they become as natural as typing your name. Until next time, happy learning and happy calling.